Oh my goodness. Shh. Shh. I've not been muted for 13 minutes. Look here, I am a professional. Hello, Potato. How are you? Oh. Oh no. That comic you posted in War's Discord. I knew where it was going, but oh. Oh, for crying out loud. No. I think it's helpers. Yeah. I actually have hydrate commands. No. It's good. If I didn't have a hydrate command, I probably wouldn't remember to hydrate. What do I have in here? That's really the only one of value. I should increase the value of that, shouldn't I? Oh, review request queue. There's a request queue? Oh, there's two things in the request queue. I should bring this up. So we have from 6 months ago, Husky Potato redeemed Make Core Bob Hydrate. And from 1 minute ago, she also redeemed to make me hydrate. I just hydrated just now. And I'm sure 6 months ago I did. But here, let me give you back your points for both of them. Because I'm such a nice guy. Just now I did. I got it right here. I'll even hydrate again. It is Gold Tea or Gold Peak Tea. Natural lemon flavor iced tea. They don't sponsor the stream, but if they want to. I'm sounding sus. It's the imaginary green screen. Now it's empty. Second, I'm going to throw a child. Uh-oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Is this a YouTube video or?
No YouTube here. Husky Potato says more and more wave.
Your background is black. Your background is black, so I can do
There's
this.
a hand. Oh.
Yeah! I'm gonna leave you to talk to your friends now.
Okay. Mwah. She's leaving me to talk to my friends now. Oops. GitHub.com. Apparently we are. I don't know. You're one to talk. Git checkout. What did I call that one? Remove. You're an innocent potato. Oh, there we go. What is that? Gotcha. Okay. So, that can work here too for now. Don't know that that's what I actually needed. I'm hungry and I'll drink when I am dry. So, let's make sure this works. I'm a river driver and I'm far. See, so that's spinning there. Does that just, when I have it there? No, that's... I'll leave. Okay, so I want to check something here. Oh. Yes. So it's running PowerShell in the integrated console. And that's spinning. Let's see if I can get code insiders here. No. Is it code dash insiders? Probably. No. Boop, 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 boop. Oh. list. Let's see what we got when we list them all. Well, that's good. Choco install VS Code. That'll work. Oh, except it's not Choco list I want. It's Choco install. Okay. So that finished. If I go here, then I click refresh. All right. Have a good look, Potato. Okay, so it's not showing the icon here either, which is expected, I guess. Get la, 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 la. Oh, that's not going to work. Oh, step out. Oh, that's not good. Install module PS framework. Scope locally. Current user. Yes to all. I don't know why I did an LS. F5. Go, go, go. Step over. That should, oh, fail to execute. The response cannot be parsed. What? Interesting. Very, very interesting. So, this is obviously a Windows PowerShell issue, and I don't want actual library. I want Yeah, it's utility. Invoke, actual. Execute SQL query. Invoke web request. So if I take that out, no, what? Typing left alt shift, no, no. Why would it? Silly thing. And if I go here, I'll hit F5 again. Oh, good. Specified was not found. Get phone. Okay, so my choices are in Windows PowerShell. Have it be dumb, or I don't know why I'm still installing this one. So it either doesn't like the extension or the so the thing is, as soon as I complete that, for the mentioned okay, directory number begins with a 1. Oh, there's 2 zeros. That's why it's not working. 1 0 0. Ooh, they've got one in Moscow. Ta-da! Okay. So what I'm going to do is throw this up. We'll hit that button. I will be right back. Let's kick off a Choco install before I run away. Okay. Oh, I need to hide that too. Ta-da. Appears I'm unmuted. So it looks like everything's good. Okay, so that's installed. We've got our phone. So now what we want is a way to delete our phone. That's what we're working on today. Hey, Bougie. How are you? Remove. I have another remove somewhere, I think. Maybe I don't. This is going to be a higher impact, though. Pretty good. Pretty good. I decided that I should I should think I can just do that. Decided I should probably work on this project. Not usually, but I had someone recommend them, so I thought I'd try them out. So, because it took a couple of orders to actually find a pair that fit the way that they described fitting. One was like, oh, if you measure your hand.
Dad,
what
is your channel picture name for YouTube?
Why?
Because I want to subscribe to you.
You don't need to subscribe to me on YouTube, okay? Not right now. We'll talk later.
Okay.
It was like, said like measure across your hand here, and if it's this long, it's like here's the sizing. And based on my measurement, I picked like the biggest size of the one that I found, and then I get it and like I put it on, and it was like they were to the tips of my fingers, and the tips of my fingers started turning purple within a couple of minutes. And I'm like, yeah, they're compression gloves, but I don't think they're supposed to compress that much. As far as how comfortable they are, they're a pain in the neck to take off. I mean, it's easy enough to like grab them and like pull them off, and then they're inside out, and then you have to flip them around. So I usually like I'm dealing with the pulling each finger off individually. But as far as like while they're being used, they're comfortable. They take a little bit of getting used to. I kind of got them around the same time that I got my Ergo Docs. Silly camera. So I was getting used to them and the split interest, like the split fairly non-standard keyboard at the same time. And one thing I found is I kept hitting one of the control key because it was right under the my pinky and the bottom of my hand. So let's see. Let's maximize this and get more screen real estate going here, because I want. Oh, this one actually supports it. Support should process. What do I want to pass in is the real question. So this is the phone.
Attack! Oh no, it's attacking.
I want to pass in the UUID. Oh.
Oh no, my owner.
You know what? It doesn't matter what I want to pass in. What matters is where is that one? Yeah, so it doesn't matter what I want to pass to it. What matters is what does it accept? It takes a name or a UUID, I think. No, this one. Choco installs SOAP UI -y. They're both listed as not nullable, but oh right. Attributes sequence. I feel like they're scrolling. Once SOAP UI is installed, it'll all be good. Oh, what? We'll just ignore the error. Error during install doesn't mean it didn't install, right? No, I don't. New SOAP project. Oh. Damn, I gotta download it. Plugins. So PSCUCM is a PowerShell module for working with CUCM, which is the Cisco Unified Call Manager or Communications Manager, depending on who you're talking to and when you're talking to them. And, you know, the name is different given the day of the week type thing. But so this is CUCM. It's basically a voice over IP phone solution from Cisco. And so I think it's Axle Toolkit I want to download. So PSCUCM is a PowerShell module for interacting with it. Oh yeah, so this would have been all muted at the beginning of my stream because I spent the first 13 minutes of stream with my mic on mute. Effectively, I got an email from someone who's using it, and they were trying to delete a phone record by running one of the things that CUCM Axle, which is the administrative XML service, so CUCM AXL, it allows you to run SQL queries. So you can give it, like, here's a SQL command and it will run it. But those SQL queries are explicitly read-only, and he was trying to delete a phone. So now I'm adding a remove phone command or function to it, so you can just remove phone, and you don't have to do you don't have to build the query yourself, basically. Technically, I think this is all I need. Here we go, actual API. Error loading it. Oh. Okay, so I need more than just that one. Yeah. Yeah. So when you get into the voicemail side of things, so this is just like dealing with phones and communications between phone. Then when you get over to the phone or the voicemail that is usually attached on, you have Cisco Unity, which is usually abbreviated as UCXN or UCN, depending on how you want to say it. My child is giggling about something. Which this doesn't even have voicemail. Like, this is just two phone systems and then presence. So whether your phone is on the hook or you're on a call or stuff like that. But when you get a voicemail, you have Unity, and inside of Unity it has QPCUPI, which is the unified or Cisco Unity. I can't remember, but Unity has like four different services based on what you're asking, and even more outside of alongside Axel, there's like another service that you can hit that gives you real-time data, because apparently this isn't it's not quite as real-time. So the other stuff, like the other one, will give you because I remember I had to run a query that said, okay, show me the phones that are actually like actively plugged in versus just being in there. Because like if we go back to devices, you'll notice that the status of all these is none, and they have no IP addresses. As you put them on the network, the status would become like registered or unregistered, and then they'll list the IP address. But those aren't exposed in Axel; they're exposed in real-time reporting, I think it is. So like each component in the overall system has like 3 or 4 APIs for managing it from. And it all depends on what type of data you're looking for or trying to manipulate. And this one is, I'm looking for remove phone. Remove phone. No. Remove phone. Because this will tell us, so we have a choice. So we take either a name or a UUID. Well, that's easy. Name, parameter set name equals name. Oh, I need to put it in. And then if I paste UUID, and this is going to be UUID, and then this is going to be a parameter set name. Oh, how do I do these again? PowerShell parameter set. So parameter set name. Okay, so I can actually make them. Copy. What's going on with the mouse? So both mandatory in their given parameter set, but how do I make it? Then okay. So Alt Shift down will duplicate it. Perfect. Whoops. UUID. So enable exception. And then we do hashtag invoke CUCM Axle. So this is going to be, we're looking for entity equals, whoops, entity is Remove-PSCUCM. And we don't yet, because we're targeting PowerShell 5, we don't yet have anything else. Oh, no, we have enable exception, which equals enable exception. And then we have if whoops, PS bound, no. This is why I don't like parameter set names. Because this doesn't really help with the telling me what I should. Parameter sets.
Yay!
Yeah, that doesn't help. Multiple parameter sets. Parameter set requirements. And declaring them. And then it's like, oh, and this is actually writing them in PowerShell. Or not in PowerShell, in C#. Like full out compiled commandlets. There we go. One of these two should help, right? PS commandlet dot parameter set name. If PS parameter set name equals EQ equals name, that one, and then it's invoke dot parameter equals, no, it's parameters equals and then the parameter is, in this case, name equals $. Nope. Alt shift down. And this one is UUID. And UUID equals UUID. And this will be invoke except I have no idea what that looks like. So I'm going to start removing phones because why not? Close that and that. W and Control W. CSF user 001. CSF user 001. Delete. I need to give it basic authorization. Username is administrator. Password is Cisco PSDT. And then we hit go. Error getting response. Oh, CCM. Oh. Right. Right. So let's go way up here. And is it in here that I set it up? It's been so long since I've worked with this janky ass program. Reload project, no. Import, no. It is show project view. Hi. Okay. So, security configurations? No. Oh, there's different stuff down at the bottom. Oh, it's right in here. It's not the top folder, it's the really run in the background then. Run in the background. I want to close this one. Service endpoints. There we go. Uh, 10.20.1, I think. Username is administrator. Password is Cisco PSDT. Not to be mistaken with Cisco PTSD, which is what you get from working with Cisco stuff. But so now if I set auth back to no authorization, and now I hit go. Oh, I could have just typed it up here too. Okay, so that returned an interesting value. What is that value? E0C1C Ah, so it returned the UID of the device it removed. Good, good. So if it had just removed it. Okay, so now we want I want to say invoke query already expands it out to catch web request, expands it out to the return. So now I need to go into here and I need to put these in a better order. Remove PSCUCM phone. Love the ride, everything else. And then if we go to this one and we run this again, oh, no, 5. So 1001 doesn't exist. 1002 on the other hand now does exist. And that is that user, but if I copy that, actually get PSCUCM phone, PSCUCM phone -DN1002 phone.name phone.UUID remove PSCUCM phone dash UUID becomes phone.UUID. And we go verbose, so we have verbosity. Failed to execute, remove, item not valid. Specified entry was not found. Because now if we go over here, 1, 2, 3. So then if we go here and make that one, and name becomes phone.name. And now if we go 20, now we have 17. Ta-da! Now I need to make sure I add help there too. Oh, and that it actually should process. So if, yeah, I might as well add that back in. $PS commandlet dot should process remove phone Can I then do no, not phone. It is oops. Invoke space. PSCUCM splat dot parameters. So save that. Wait, what? Oh my god, I just realized that I did the dumb. Who clones a repository in C Windows System 32?
Made a music video on Among Us.
Okay.
Like, they thought it was Glue, but it wasn't. And then, like, Reed was her buddy because she sent her thing where she could the taskbar that she had to her so that she could send a message, but all the crew except Light Green was dead, so Light Green died.
So, okay then. Well, whatever. It's in the dumb spot now. IPMO PSCUCM force. Whoops. No, I wanted like that. I missed closing a bracket. Name Bob dash what if. I can totally PowerShell. PSCUCM phone. Performing the operation remove phone. Oh, good. Why is server blank? Oh my god. Wait. I need to fix that too. Okay, well, then this is just going to be like this. This is what we do. Name. Whoops. UUID. Save that. We'll re-import. Look here. Look here. I don't know why you're so picky about making sure syntax is correct. Jeez. UUID. Bobby. There we go. That, other than target being incorrect, that works. No. Could be Python and also care about white space. This is true. This is true. CUCM deet. Okay, we'll just call it deets. Because I wanted to anyways. Get dash PSCUCM. Because if I recall, get PSCUCM status, and then it's .server. Perfect. CUCM deets.server. Okay, so get status. Get add PS. Get status. What branch am I on? Okay, good. Get commit -m message don't matter. Get config user.email though so we're going to switch to master. We're going to get checkout dash b fix set PSCUCM translation pattern. Don't you dare take this away from me. Because what I'm going to do is right here. Oh, that works too. CUCM deets.server. Find should process. Okay, so there's an if. I have it on add phone. No, that's on remove. Okay. Why does it? I guess that. Anyways. Nope, no, I won't give it. Okay, but this one actually server. Yeah, the server's already there because that one actually needs it. Okay, so get status. Get add PSCUCM. Get commit blah that whatever. Get add PSCUCM. Get no. Get check. Oh my goodness. Remove. I know it's ahead, and I know I can't push because I'm not authenticated. But what I can do is add in the help it should have. Remove a phone from CUCM. Remove a phone from CUCM. Name of phone to remove. UUID of phone to remove. Oh, I need to add what if and confirm into this. Okay. PSCUCM phone dash UUID. Let's see if I can find one. That's a version stamp. Looks exactly like a UUID. Removes phone with UUID. Okay, and then because now if I run yes. Git add PSCUCM git commit. Perfect. Install module PlatyPS. Yes. PowerShell gallery. Why could it not find it? Set PS repository. No. PS gallery. Okay, so that did it there. What do you mean it's... Oh, as I bump around the mic. Sorry about that. I know why. We do some funky stuff with the... We do some funky stuff with the... Oh, actually, I should fix that, yeah. So I noticed that during startup of PowerShell Editor Services, we get the little running down here. No. After startup? So we get it down here. My concern is we don't have it over here. Oh. We do. Okay. So it's when running this that we don't get it. That's not the greatest, but oh well. So that took way too long. So if that, what did I say I wanted to fix? I forget what I was looking for. What would you look at? What did I say I was going to fix when I started it? Oh, it's the SSL thing. It's in Axle Query, I think. Well, part of it I think has to do with no, it's not the trusted stuff. If it's not, and we should process, we set the headers. I think it's this part. So if I do find module PlatyPS, so that finds it. But then if I run that button, it still finds it. So why, what is... certificate. So then that I don't know. Anyways, IPMO platypus. Command module platypus. Okay, so how am I... What do we do? New YAML. Ooh, where would you do YAML help? New Markdown help? Let's see what it does. Oh, good. Good, good. That was not the button I wanted. Okay. Huh. So the example for generating markdown help is update help or update markdown help. Import module, new markdown help, like output folder is docs. Good enough. Get status. Branch am I on? Get checkout docs master. Does that? Oh. Get add docs. Get commit -m docs. Ta-da! I don't know why I actually committed the. Oh, I know why I committed them. So that I have access. Okay. So we are sitting at an hour and a half of stream. And I'm gonna actually have to be getting my kid ready, or getting ready to take my kid out later. So yeah. Let's see. Let's go like that. Let's hit that button. Gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for everyone who stopped by. And I will catch you all next time. Wave, wave, wave. Wave, wave.